Okay. And finally, we're going to have one more question. We're going to have time for one more question. And this is from Gemma. And Gemma says, "Hi, I was wondering for the few people that I have door slammed throughout my life being an INFJ, how do I get rid of any negative energy, resentment that might be there? These few door slams were probably 5 to 10 years ago. I don't think about it too often uh, I don't think about it often at all though, nor encounter with them." Um, Well, my question to you is what's the essence of the negative energy that you're getting? Are you still angry with them? Do you feel let down by them? Are you still hurt? Because those are all things that you need to work with your inner children around. So work around that inner child hurt that occurred, and so then you'll be able to move on from there. So firstly, identify what the feeling is. So how am I feeling about this? And then identify what you need in relation to the hurt. So how am I feeling about this, and what do I need around this? And then try and meet that need for yourself. And if you can't meet that need for yourself, if you need somebody else to meet that need, then recognize that you need somebody else to meet that need, and then find a way to ask for that need to be met by another person. So yeah, door slams are tricky because we get to a point where we're so sick and tired of whatever they did was hurting us so much that we don't see any other way than to close the door. And then what happens after some time generally is we calm down and we realize that, perhaps there was more shades of gray to the issue than I thought originally. And it still leaves this yucky feeling inside of us. And it's possible that the yucky feeling is a subconscious or even an unconscious realization that you could have maybe dealt with it a little bit differently. Of course, there are abusive people, and of course it's okay to slam the door on abuse and people who are abusive. Of course it is. But actually most people are not abusive, and most people and most of those abusive situations are what's called perceived abuse, which is it feels like abuse to me, it feels uncomfortable for me, so therefore you're doing this to me. Whereas a lot of the times, fortunately, the perceived abuse is actually a misunderstanding or miscommunication. Fortunately, I'm saying fortunately because that kind of shows that most people aren't abusive, but unfortunately in a way that we have closed the door on something that was actually possibly a misunderstanding or miscommunication. So that's tough. So my question to you is, start unraveling that possibly subconscious or even unconscious reason of why you're feeling bad about the door slam. And if you're conscious about it, just write down, how am I feeling? Like, what was the actual feeling around the door slam? And then secondly, what do you need around it? And then try and give that to yourself. If you can't, ask somebody directly if they're able to offer it to you. All right. Thanks everyone for today's session. It's been great to be here with you today. We didn't get to all the questions, but I'll pop some questions into our next week's live Q&A. Okay. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great weekend, everyone.